Hi, I'm Brian Marcelin with NOLA World Productions and BrianMarcelin.com. I'm here today to show you how to remove an object from a actual picture. It might be a little bit advanced, but I've been getting a lot of emails about this, so I want to show everybody how to do this. This is just a picture I found randomly on the internet. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get this car by itself. What you might want to do is first come up here to image and image size, and you'll see that the width is 500 and the height is 330, and notice this right here, it says pixels. It doesn't say inches, it doesn't say anything else, it says pixels. So what you're going to do is make sure you write that number down, and you are going to go and actually go up and create a new project. So you can name it whatever, car. It's always good to name your projects. This is the background, what you want the background to be. I always like it transparent. A transparent layer will always show up as white on web pages and what have you whenever you put it somewhere. But Adobe Suite and some of the video editing programs and everything, it's probably better that you keep it in transparent. For width, what you're going to do is just enter your amounts in, which is 500 for the width, and it's going to be 330 for the height, and we're going to hit OK. And see these dots? That means that this is a transparent layer, which means that, you know, depending, like if I put this inside a video editing program, whatever's in here is going to show. You're not going to see white behind it or anything like that. So what you want to do, this is the new Adobe Suite, so I'm not really used to it. You grab this and you separate the two boxes. So now we have, you know, the car in one, and we have this one here. So you might want to just move this out the way for now. The first thing you want to do is, see, this has a lot of different colors, so we're not going to be able to just magic wand it and, you know, get it out of here. What we're going to want to do is we're going to use this tool up here, which is called the lasso tool. They have a few of them. They have a regular lasso tool, which is just goes by your hand, which is very hard, very, very hard. What I like to use is this magnetic lasso tool. It kind of sticks to what you have, but it's kind of smart, I want to say, because it knows it watches pixels and it kind of stays intact. You'll see what basically what you do is take the magic lasso tool, put it on your project, press the button, and you'll see this appears. And you just kind of drag it where you want it. It's not going to be perfect, but see, it kind of sticks to it. See, like how this tire is black and it wanted to come down below the car because that's black too. It kind of like keeps in consideration your color. It's not completely accurate, but it's a lot easier than using a regular lasso tool. But see, I'm just going around it, and you can click every now and again. See, like how I just clicked? Like if you know you come into a difficult area or something, you might just want to click, like right here. I notice headlights blue, the sides blue. See how it's grabbing? I knew it had a problem, so I clicked before that so it didn't screw up everything. And we're still going around the car, still going around the car, still going around the car. See, problem. So I'm going to click now because I know it's probably going to want to grab that black, and see the tires down here in the black. You really can't see it, but we're still going. And then when you get to the end, just double click, and you'll see little ants running around the car. And you see around here by the headlight, we kind of screwed up a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at what we actually got, which is this button right here, this little thing right here. You're going to click this and see everything you didn't select is in red. So what you do is you grab the paintbrush, which is up here. I have a pen, but you just hold down the mouse button and you'll see brush tool. Just grab that brush tool and you just kind of paint around the areas you don't want. Like I don't want this part right here. I don't want this part here, you know, just kind of paint. See how I'm painting? All this is done, you know, we got that. Everything around looks okay, but see how this roof right here has a little bit of red in it? I didn't want that. And this headlight, I wanted that too. So what you're going to do is you're going to come back to this little box, double click it quick, and it's going to show up as masked area, selected area. When you choose selected area, it does just the opposite. Now look, I'm going to go back and I'm going to hit this button, and now look what happens. Now the opposite has happened. See, the roof's now not colored, so we can actually color. And you can change your brush width by going up here, your diameter. Look, I'm making it smaller so I can get in here and kind of like, you know. See, I can't see that good, so what you might want to do is go to the zoom tool and just click the area that you can't see. Like, look, I'm zooming in. Just helps out a lot. Great feature, great feature. And we're gonna go back to the paintbrush if I can find it. I'm kind of blind today. I just woke up, so we're gonna go right through here. And see, we got that. And you can move around also while you zoomed in. It's not going to hurt anything. It'll help you see. So like this tire, I didn't see that. You might want to, because this car's going to look funny with no tire. Yeah, there you go. Let's see right here. We need to get that. I'm not doing a great job either, y'all. I'm just doing this just to show you. See, like we missed this. I didn't see that either. And we got our headlight that we've been complaining about. We need to get. So we're painting around. Very, you know, it's all about Photoshop. It's not about being the best. It's about sitting there, you know, and just working with something, you know. Like, look, we missed this. See, if I wouldn't have zoomed in, I would have missed that. So double click, go back to mask area, and now look, I'm gonna press this button, and like I said, there it is. So I know I missed that. So just kind of do that. See, I can still see the roof's a little bit gotten right here. So I wanna do this and click it again. I want to make sure this roof's, we get the roof, because the car wouldn't be good without a roof, would it? But you can see what, like this little trim here, we should have got. And like I said, this is going to be a kind of bad job. I'm doing this kind of quick. Alright, so I guess y'all got the concept of what I was trying to show you. This little red here, this is going to drive me crazy. I got to get this out. Let's see, master area. See, I'm just swapping between the two of them. See, it looked like it was part of the car, but it actually wasn't. So, yeah, color that. So anyway, so now we can go back and click this and get to the ants. Alright. Now, let me zoom back out if I can find it. The zoom tool's here. If you're wondering how to go back, see up here at the top, they have a plus and a minus. Just click that minus and go back. Click it once, click it twice. I think I only clicked it twice. So, now we have this box, which we know is exactly the same size as this car. So what we're going to do is we are going to click this tool here, grab this tool, and you see the ants around it. Click, hold your mouse button down, and drag it to here. And my computer's running a little slow right now. Let's try this again. Now I'm doing it. So here's the car, and you'll see the car is now by itself. And see, if you would have got the tire a little bit better or what have you, you could actually do a little Photoshop, a little paint, you know, a little blending right here. But the car is now by itself. Hope this tutorial was useful for you. If you have any questions, email me at brian@nolaworldproductions.com, or you can hit me up on my homepage, which is www.brianmarceland.com. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, also you can post it on my YouTube or my MySpace, whichever site you're on, and I'll get back to them as quick as I can. Thanks.